In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft SharePoint, adding a group calendar to Outlook. By the end, you'll have a SharePoint calendar created, linked on your site's homepage, and connected so it appears right inside Outlook. Start by signing into your organization's SharePoint and opening the area where your team collaborates. From the top navigation, go to your sites and pick the site where you want this calendar to live. On that site, select New, then choose App. If you're shown the modern app catalog, switch to the classic experience using the link on the page. We're doing this because the classic calendar app includes the built-in Connect to Outlook feature. In the classic app gallery, find the calendar app and select it. Give your calendar a clear, recognizable name, something like Group Calendar, so people know exactly what it is. Click Create to add it to the site. Next, locate the calendar you just created. Open the menu for it by selecting the three dots, then choose Settings. On the Settings screen, copy the web address shown for this list. We'll use that link to place the calendar on the site's homepage so your team can get to it quickly. Navigate back to your site's homepage and choose Edit Links. Add a new link, enter the friendly name you picked earlier, paste the calendar's web address into the address box and confirm. Then save your changes so the link appears on the page. Now click the new group calendar link on your homepage to open the calendar itself. With the calendar open, go to the calendar tab in the classic ribbon at the top. Choose Connect to Outlook. This tells SharePoint to integrate the calendar with your Outlook desktop app. Switch to Outlook when prompted. You'll see a message asking if you want to add this SharePoint calendar to your computer. Click Yes. Outlook will add the calendar in the Calendars view, typically under a section like Other Calendars or SharePoint Calendars, and it will stay in sync with SharePoint. A few quick tips as you finish up. You'll need permission to create apps and to connect the calendar. If you don't see the options mentioned, check with your site administrator. The Connect to Outlook button appears in classic calendar views, so ensure you're in that view if it's missing. Finally, this integration relies on the Outlook desktop client on Windows. That's it. Your team now has a SharePoint group calendar that's easy to find on your site and convenient to view and manage directly in Outlook.